how to edit and change your star image aspect ratio on Ecwiid isn't quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it and edit it. First open your browser and then once you're here, click design. Here is it, click on it. And now once you're here you will find image aspect ratio. Now just select that's it. You can manage it, select anything you want, and now you can enable or disable this one. Darken image backgrounds and then just go back. It will be saved. You don't have to click save or something like that. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.